Good afternoon. Today is the 26th of March, and it's time for yet another not particularly interesting, very vague, and probably quite boring vlog. So, in the last week or so, I've attended two auction sale previews for classic cars. One was at Eubank's auctions. Actually, that's a classic and modern car sale. I attended a week ago. And the auction was yesterday. The other one was Iconic Auctioneers, or CCA Auctions. They're part of the same group now, at the Practical Classic Car Restoration Show over the weekend. And the Eubanks sale is a lot smaller than the CCA or Iconic Auctioneers one, but I'm just interested to see actually what selling cars actually fetch. So Eubanks, I think we're going about 40 lots. With CCA, it's about 170 lots. So I'm not going to put in pictures of all these cars because it's just going to take me too long. You know, you can Google Eubanks Auctions March 2025 classic car, modern car sale, and also the one from Iconic Auctioneers. You can see the pictures of them, or if you want to, you can actually have a look at all the cars that I'm talking about, pretty much, apart from one or two exceptions. In the two Shambolic Shuffles I did, one actually was a three-part series, one at the Classic Car Restoration Show. One was just one video at Eubanks. I'll put those links, if I remember, in the description below, so you can have a look at them if you want to follow along with them. But I'm not going to bother editing and over 200 photographs of cars. It's just not going to be something I've got time to do. So we'll start with the Eubanks auction. Obviously, I can't talk about certain cars because we don't discuss them on the channel. And some of these things actually that were sold, I didn't actually see them. So we're going to go, first of all, with Eubanks lot number 1002, a 1987 Piaggio Ape, seen in one of the Bridget Jones films, estimated at 10 to 12,000. It didn't sell. Lot number 1003, this is definitely in the Eubanks video, a 1945 Willys Jeep, estimate 28 to 34,000, unsold. A lot 1004, a 2004 Porsche Cayenne 4.5 S Tiptronic, that sold for £3,808. The estimate was £3,500 to £6,000. Lot number 1005, at 1937 standard Flying 10 four-door saloon, 5 to 7,000 estimate, unsold. Next, lot number 1007. This is crazy. This is actually a classic car, but it just goes to show that people want certain types of car at the moment, they don't want others. A 2016 Volkswagen Golf 1.4 TSI Match Edition with the DSG gearbox. I think it had done something like 6,000 miles. Estimate 10 to 12,000. Hammer price £13,888. Yeah, we'll talk about more expensive Golfs later. Lot number 1008, a 1933 Austin 7 Special, estimate of £5,500 to £7,500, unsold. A 1933 Austin 10-4 Saloon, this is lot number 1009, estimate 5 to 6, hammer price 4256. Yeah, we had this one. 2007 Jaguar XJR 4.2, lot number 1010. Estimate 5 to £8,000, hammer price £7,392. Lot number 1011, a 2000 Porsche Boxster 3.2 S, estimate 5 to 7, hammer price £44.80. Lot number 1012, a 2014 Nissan Micra 1.2 Vizia, estimate 2 to 5,000. £2,500 to £4,500. Estimate, hammer price £4,032. So it's funny, like kind of even stuff like the K13 Micras, they're not the best cars really, but small petrol car that's in pretty good condition, that's what people want. Lot number 1013, a 1971 Saab 99, estimate £2,000 to £4,000. I'm sure this being actually the thumbnail of the video has helped because it sold for £4,032. Lot number 1014, a 2004 Jaguar X-Type 2.5 V6 of estate. Automatic, with beige leather interior. Estimate 2 to 4, hammer price 2,464. Lot number 1015, a 1952 MGTD, estimate 10 to 12,000 pounds, hammer price 10,640. So very good estimate that. Number 1016, not a good estimate on this occasion. 1996 Jaguar XK8 automatic convertible with beige leather interior. Estimate 6 to 8,000 pounds, hammer price 15,120 pounds. Yeah, that's interesting because we've got another XK8 coming up as well. Lot number 1017, a 2012 Lexus IS250C. Now, this wasn't in the video because I don't think the car was there. I have driven one of these, but I drove one in 2023 with the same colour. They're interesting cars, these. Only available with a 2.5 6-cylinder petrol engine. Estimate 8,500 to 9,500 pounds, and hammer price £9,520. So that's interesting. 2002 Lexus SC430 automatic. Estimate 3,500 to 4,500 pounds, unsold. So why would you want the IS250C and not the SC430? It's cheaper. I don't know. Presumably it's a bit more economical or something. I'm not sure. 1998 BMW 535 SE V8. Estimate 2,500 to 3,500 pounds. We like you 39s on this channel viewers. Have a price 3,136. So very good estimate. Right, we have to go on to the next thing here. Skip a few of them because we can't talk about them. Lot number 1022, 2002 Renault Aventime. I didn't actually see that there. I don't think it was there when I filmed it, but estimate 2,500 to 3,500 pounds, unsold. Why do you not want a Renault Aventime? Everybody loves Renault Aventimes, don't they? So BMW 750iL from 2002. This actually only estimated at 1,000 to 2,500 pounds. Hammer price 1,344. I didn't actually see that one either, I don't think. Right, skip that one and go on to the next page here. Right, lot number 1025, 2006 Mini Cooper R50. Estimate 1 to 1,500 pounds, unsold. So, okay. The Chrysler Baron 1995, Chrysler Baron convertible, estimate 1 to 2,000, hammer price 1,568. So there we go. Lot number 1027, 2003 Volkswagen Golf Mark IV GTI. It's the 1.8 20 valve. Estimate 800 to 800 pounds, hammer price 1,568. Obviously, on all the hammer prices, there are some fees on top of that as well, of course. So again, bang on the estimate there. 2001 Mercedes-Benz SLK compressor, 6-speed manual. This one, interestingly enough, estimate 800 to 1,200. Hammer price 1,456. So maybe they're going up a bit. 1991 Jaguar XJS 3.6 automatic coupe with beige leather interior. Estimate 4 to 6, hammer price 45.92. So bang on estimate and also sensible second-hand classics money. Lot number 1030, 2003 Jaguar XKR 4.2 coupe automatic. So we had the convertible from 96 earlier on. This is a 2003 XKR, this one. Estimate 4 to 6, hammer price 44.80. So bang on and sensible second-hand classics money. Number 1031, we didn't actually talk about this because it's a Ford Fiesta Eco Boom, so I'm just going to move past that because we don't like wet belts on this channel very much. Lot number 1033, 2008 Fiat Panda 1.2 Dynamic. Nice one actually, this. Estimate 2.5 to 3, hammer price 26.88. There we go. 1996 Porsche Boxster, estimate 3 to 4. This is just a normal 2.5. It's an automatic, this one. Hammer price 32.48. Bang on estimate. Sensible second-hand classics money. 2001 Daihatsu Sirian. I really like that Daihatsu Sirian. It had done 19,000 miles. Estimate 2 to 3. Hammer price 21.28. Lot number 1036. 2005 Renault Sport Clio 182. Estimate 2 to 3. Hammer price 1904. So comparison with what another one of those went for, it must be all about the condition of these cars. So they're proper classics then, if that's dictating all the prices. Lot number 1037, 1999 Mercedes E240 Elegance, estimate 2 to 3, unsold, again, for some reason. Lot number 1038, 1991 Ford Fiesta Bonus 2, estimate 1,800 to 2,800 pounds unsold. What why that is? I think there's presumably no budget reviews money still in the Mark III Fiestas. Next one we can talk about, lot number 1040, 2008 Vauxhall Mariva 1.4 Breeze. Estimate £1.5 to £2,000. Have a price 1456. Yeah, again, small capacity petrol engine, spacious car, based on the same platform as a Corsa C, so probably quite economical to run. 1997 Audi Cabrio 2.6 V6 5-speed manual. Estimate 1,200 to £800. It wasn't the best cosmetic condition, this one, but it actually sold for 10,000. Sorry, £1,008, which is almost no budget reviews money, which is crazy. Lot number 1042, 1998 Mercedes-Benz 190E 2-litre petrol. Estimate £1,000 to £800. Bang on. Hammer price 1344. So 2009 Citroen CV Pluriel. Very difficult to value something like this. I don't really know. Estimate 1 to 2,000. Hammer price 1232. So not that expensive, but bang on estimate. 2001 Mark IV Golf 1.6 SE manual. Estimate 800 to 1,200. Hammer price 728. For what that's worth. Right, we'll take a break and then we will go and look at the auction from the Practical Classics Classic Car Restoration Show. Right, viewers, we've got a lot of things to get through, so we'll be as quick as we can with this. Lot number 100, 1988 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark II. As I've said, virtually all of these cars are in the videos, parts 2 to 4 of the slightly shambolic shuffle from the weekend. This estimates unfortunately aren't on here, so I'm not going to go through and try to find them. I'm just going to have a sold price. So Golf GTI barn find 1988. It's an 8-valve, 2250. Lot number 101, 1987 Toyota MR2. They're very nice, that one. Another barn find sold for 5850. This includes the premium, by the way. The Eubank's prices don't include the premium. 1991 Volkswagen GTI. Volkswagen GTI Mark II, 8-valve, barn find, 6525, big bumper car. Lot number 104, 1983, Ford Escort RS 1600i, unsold. 2009 Ford Focus Mark II RS, 27,250. Wow. 1995 Aston Martin DB7 manual, sold for 10,687. That's quite a cheap price for a DB7, actually, really. 1973 MGB GT with the fast road spec, 14,625. So MGBs, clearly some of them are worth money. 1977 Daimler Sovereign Series 2 4.2 Coupe, beautiful pillarless XJC design, sold for £20,812. Lot number 109, 1996 Bentley Brooklands. I love this. Sherwood Green, 31,000 miles, 14,833. So someone's got taste. Lot number 110, 1985 Volkswagen Golf 1.6 GL Cabriolet. 3150. Sensible second-hand classics money. 2000 Porsche Boxster 2.7 manual, 83,000 miles, £5,062. Number 112, can't talk about. We need to go down to, my gosh, there's forbidden fuel corner here. 115, 2003 Audi RS6 C5, £9,562. Wow. 1990 Ford Escort XR3i Cabriolet, but it's been modified a bit. £3,600. Lot number 117 Citroen D Special, £8,804, left-hand drive. Lot number 118 TVR Cerberus from 1999, unsold. Lot number 119 1955 Sunbeam Mark III Drophead Coupe, 6750. Lot number 120 1951 Sunbeam Talbot 90 Mark II Saloon Project, 1350. Almost no budget reviews money. 1979 minivan project, undisclosed sum sold. Lot number 122 1963 Jaguar Mark II 3.4 Saloon Project, 3150. Lot number 123, 1967 Daimler Sovereign that needs recommissioning and finishing off, 2137. 1961 minivan sold for an undisclosed sum. Number 125, 1959 Morris Mini Minor Deluxe. It's a very early car, 19125. It's a bit less than I thought it would be, actually. 1972 BMW 2000 Neue Klasse, unsold. 1987 BMW 635 CSR number 128, sold for 23,625. 129, 2006 Jaguar XK 4.2 convertible, 8437. 1994 Bentley Turbo RL, very nice, unsold. 1978 Princess 2200 HL, lot number 131, sold for 8650. Lot number 132. 1984 Capri 2.8 injection, garage find, sold for £12,093. Number 133, 1983 Ford Escort XR3 TF, South African spec, 11,250. So quite strong money, actually. 1933 Morris Commercial C-Type 2-ton dockside truck, number 135, 11,250. Number 136, 2002 Honda S2000 GT, which I've just lost. Hold on a second, viewers. Sorry about that, viewers. I lost my place there. You say 136 Honda S2000 GT, 2002, 12,937. Not number 137, 1994 Celica GT4, sold for £16,875. 138 Ford Capri 2.8 injection, early 4-speed manual from 1981, 22,500. It was a very nice car, that. Number 139 2005 Ford Boxster 3.2 S, sold for £10,462. 1993 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL, number 140, sold for 6,975. That seems reasonable. But number 141, 1973 Jaguar E-Type Series 3 Roadster, £40,500. Number 142, a 1996 Mini, 21,000 miles from new, 9,900. Number 143, 2005 Renault Sport Clio 182, sold for an undisclosed sum. Number 144, 1977 Rover SD1, 3,500. Manual, bizarrely, this one. 4725. The next one we can talk about is 146, 1991 Mercedes 560 SEC, unsold. Right, here we go. 1989 Ford Escort RS Turbo Series 2, 6,000 miles, £50,625. £50,625. Lot number 148, 1988 Ford Sierra RS 500, sold for £75,000. 1994 Renault Clio Williams, £25,312. 1987 Porsche 944 Series 1, 50,000 miles, sold for 19,687. 2002 Alfa Romeo Spider V6, 10,687. 1979 Suzuki SC100 WizKid, £6,862. 153, 1985 Fiat Strada Abarth 130 TC, £20,250. Well bid ever did that. 154, 1988 Fiat Turbo IE, £30,375. I mean, it had only done 47,000 miles, so there we go. They're very, very rare, those. 155 Mark II Escort 1980 Ford Escort Harrier LE, in need of light restoration, £21,375. 156 1971 Lotus 7 S4, 16,875. Number 157, 1996 Porsche 911 993 Carrera S with a manual gearbox, 92,250. So not all 911s have dropped in price. Lot number 158, 1996 BMW M3 E36 Evolution convertible, £14,062. 159, 1993 Subaru Impreza WRX. This is an import, unsold. 1984 Porsche Porsche 911 Carrera 3.2 Targa Sport, £49,500. 161 2004 Caterham 7 600 Super Sport, £11,812. Number 162 1968 Morris Minor with Ford Crossflow, £12,375. So not all Morris Minors are low in price. 164 2003 BMW Z4 Roadster 2.5 manual, £7,593. 165 1985 BMW M635 CSI, 24,550 miles, £57,375. 1967 Morris Mini Cooper S, unsold. 1970 and a half Chevrolet Camaro RS SS, sold for an undisclosed sum. Lot number 168, 1953 Dodge Meadowbrook, £5,875. Rarity and age do not equal value. 169, 1962 Morris Minor convertible with a 948cc engine, so one of the last with an engine, £13,500. Lot 1970 Volvo 1800E, lot number 170, sold for 17,750. Lot number 171, another RS 1600 I Escort from 83, £27,000. 172, 1982 Citroen 2CV Charleston, 12,000 miles, 14,065. 1966 Mustang, undisclosed sum. 1988 BMW M3 Evolution convertible, it's unsold. 1979 Mini pickup with a V8 engine, unsold. 1963 Bedford CA pickup, £8,333. 1988 Austin Metro City van with interesting company on the side, £4,162. So sensible second-hand classics money. 1953 MG TD, unsold. Number 179, 1928 Morris Oxford Flatnose, sold for an undisclosed sum. 1997 Toyota MR2 SW20, number 180, sold for £10,968. 1962 MGB Roadster 181, unsold. 182 1968 MGC Sebring Replica, sold for £8,437. 1983 Renault 5 Turbo, or GT Turbo, sorry, a Raider, which I've never heard of that one, sold for £25,875. 1986 Peugeot 205 1.6 GTI Phase 1, undisclosed sum. 1970 Citroen DS 21 Palace, not sold. 1982 Porsche 911 SC Sport, sold for £37,125. 1970 Volkswagen Carmen Gear 187, this one, sold for £42,000. So, yeah. Lot number 188, 1983 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark 1, lightly modified, sold for £21,000. Lot number 189, 1956 Land Rover Series 1, undisclosed sum. 191, 1917 Mercedes-Benz R107 350 SL, sold for an undisclosed sum. 1986 Mini Mayfair, unique example apparently, sold for $76.50. Toyota Land Cruiser fire truck number 193, unsold. 1989 Ford Escort RS Turbo Series 2. This was very similar to the other one. It's not quite as nice, but this only sold for £9,000. The other one was £51,000. So crazy stuff going on here. 1972 Jaguar E-Type Series 3 V12 sold for £24,750. So I think E-Type prices are going down a bit actually. 197. 1981 Talbot Matra Marina 2.2 7875. 198. 1991 Renault 19 16 valve Cabriolet 5850. 1967 MGB Roadster lot, the 199 sold for an undisclosed sum. Right, next page here. Lot number 200, 1980 Triumph Dolomite Sprint. That's very nice, actually, this. £16,031. 1976 Triumph TR7, lot number 201, undisclosed sum. Lot number 202, 1976 Alfa Romeo Spider 2000 Veloce. 15,750. Lot number 203, 1975 Ford Escort Mark 1 Mexico. Very, very late Mexico. Sold for undisclosed sum. That's such a shame, viewers. Anyway, 1996 Ferrari 456 GTA. Lot number 204. Sold for 29,812. Lot number 205, 1983 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL. Sold for £12,375. 1981 Range Rover 3.9 litre, lot number 206, 38,812. 207, 1957 BMW 502, sold for 12,375. 1994 Renault Clio Williams 2, lot number 208, 7875. Lot number 209, 2006 Mini Cooper John Cooper Works GP1, unsold. 210, 1999 Honda Civic VTI. Sorry, 1999 this one. Sold for 6187. 1986 Mini City E Project, £3,375. 1993 Mini Sprite, £3,150. That actually was not too bad. That's quite low actually. Lot number 213, 1977 Daimler Sovereign 4.2. That's an older restoration, 6,750. 1990 Toyota MR2 GT Turbo, sold for 5,625. Another MG TD here, 52 215, sold for 16,875. 216 Aston Martin DB9 Volante, £25,031. That seems sensible to me. Lot number 217, 2001 Bentley Onage Red Label, £12,717. Lot number 218, 1972 Porsche 911 T2.4 with a 2.7 litre engine, 37,125. 219, 2001 Mercedes-Benz S320, 2812. 220, 1988 Volkswagen Golf GTI 16 valve. It's silver. It's not a big bumper model. This 13,500. 2003 Focus RS Mark 1, 24,187. 1995 MGR V8. Woodcut green, very nice, with beige leather interior. 17,833. Right, okay, big one here. 1990 Audi Quattro 20 valve, one of the last of them actually. They finished in 1991, these cars. Sold for 45,000. 2018 Ford Focus RS Mark 3 with less than 2,000 miles on the clock, £34,875. 225 2006 Mini Cooper, £5,850. Lot number 226 1995 Jeep Wrangler YJ Sahara manual, 12,937. 1983 Saab 900 Turbo, unsold. 2004 Porsche Boxster S, sold for £11,000. Lot number 129, 1960 Cadillac Series 62 convertible, unsold. Lot number 230, 1974 Aston Martin Series 3 V8, £47,812. Lot number 231, 1972 Volvo 1800 ES, unsold. Lot number 232, 1958 Morgan Plus 4, unsold. 1922 Morgan Runabout Deluxe. It's a very, very weird car, that. Unsold. 1977 Porsche 911 S Targa, unsold. 1990 BMW 316 track day car, sold for $10,687. 2003 Mercedes SL55 AMG, sold for $32,625. Lot number 237 Mini Mayfair from 1984, transformed into like a Cooper Esamage, 8,100. 1988 Ford Capri 280 Brooklands. That's very nice for you. It's less than 28,000 miles. Sold for $30,375. 1971 Fiat 500L Abarth Tibuto, 8,775. Lot number 240, 1960 Volkswagen Beetle Herbie Homage, 14,625. 1999 Porsche Carrera 4, lot number 241. Yes. Wow, it's crazy. 8,804. 911 prices for certain types of 911 are really fallen. Lot number 242, 2005 Mitsubishi Lancer, unsold. Yeah, another big one here. And, you know, rightly so, really. Lot number 243, 1990 Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark II 16 valve big bumper in oak green, £37,687. Lot number 244, 1996 Mercedes-Benz SL 500 in Civilian black, 5673. 1963 Alfa Romeo Giulia Spider, 28,125. Lot number 246, 2006 Bentley Continental Flying Spur, 5875. Wow. 1991 Porsche 928 Series 4, lot number 248, unsold. 1971 MGB Roadster, lot number 249, undisclosed sum. Lot number 250, 1969 Bentley T1, needed some recommissioning, £4,500, sensible second-hand classics money. Number 251, 1973 Rover 3500S, unsold. Lot number 252, 1960 Morris Mini Minor, 10,125. So an early one, like a pre-production one almost, or one that was sort of pilot build. That was a lot more than that. It was more than double, I think. Number 253 Austin A30 race car from 1953, unsold. Number 254, 1999 Mercedes-Benz 2 SL 500, R129, £13,500. Lot number 255, 1959 Mercedes 220S 1W180 Ponton, 11,812. 1956 Land Rover Series 1, commissioned for royal duties, unsold. 257, 1975 Rover P6 3500S Huntsman, £7,312. 1972 MGB Roadster, 42.75, so sensible second-hand classics money. Lot number 259 Subaru Impreza Turbo 2000 estate from 1999, 6,187. Number 260 Mercedes-Benz 280 CE from 1981, 3,487. 1959 Mercedes 190B Ponton, sold for 3,262. Needs some work, that one. 262 1995 BMW 540i V8 manual, 33.75. Lot number 263 1980 Fiat WAM Special, it's a weird looking thing, that, 65.25. Lot number 264 2002 Porsche Carrera Cabriolet 911, 14,625. At least 69,000 miles on that. 1973, MGB GT, undisclosed sum. 1972, Datsun 521 pickup, 6750. 1949, Land Rover Series 180-inch wheelbase, 19687. 1982, Ford Capri 2-litre GL, amazingly unsold. 1987 Mercedes 560 SEC, 11250. Here we go. 1985 Ford Escort RS Turbo Series 1 fully restored, sold for 51,750. 1997 BMW Z3 Roadster 1.9, 3375, so they're still in Tentable second-hand classics money. 2004 Porsche 911 Carrera S Tiptronic, barn find 10,125. Lot number 273, 1979 Mini Clubber 125 GT Homage, unsold. 2005 Range Rover 4.2 supercharged L322 Vogue SE, 3150. 275 1989 Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.5 16 valve, sold for 6187. 267 2002 Audi TT limited edition wide body, 9562. I guess it, viewers. So lots of things unsold, surprisingly. Lots of things that reached a lot more money than expected, and some which fetched a lot less money. So what is the classic car market like at the moment? It's all over the place. Certain things are worth stupid money. Certain things are worth actually nothing. So that's it, really. Thank you ever so much indeed once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video in the comment below, and we shall see you again very soon for some more very vague and not particularly interesting musing.